Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can start video recording on your ECOVACS Deebot X1 Plus. So first, open the app and now here click Video Manager. Now wait for it to load. And here you can record it with the circle. And now it's recording. Here we can turn it off. And here we can either discard or save. I'm gonna discard. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.